So next is the last one, no? The 11th one. Okay, that actually that was left. Huh? 10 we have completed in our last class, and this is the 11th one. Okay, that is PCTFE. PCTFE. Okay, so that is polychloro trifluoroethene. Okay, polychlorotrifluoroethene, but not tetrafluoro. Okay, last is the tetrafluoro. Okay, now we have trifluoro. So we have a 2 fluorine Cl, sorry, F2 carbon, double bond CF, and then one Cl. Okay, again n molecules of this, then oxygen and polymerization. Okay, it will open up F2C single bond CFCl. Okay, and here comes our N. Okay, here comes our N. Clear? So this is the synthesis of PCTFE. If we talked about properties and uses, okay, so we will write same as PTFE. Okay, polytetrafluoroethene. The properties and uses are same as PTFE. Okay. Done. So this was the last polymer, okay, in the category of addition polymers. Now I'm going to rub this, and the second category that we are going to start is the condensation polymers. Okay, is the condensation polymer. And the very first in the category of condensation polymer is terylene. Terylene. Okay, simply we can call it a terene. Okay, terene. Other name is dacron, or we simply call it under the category of polyester. Okay, so if we have a carbon chain, we have a carbon double bond O, and then we have a carbon chain. Okay, and this thing is repeated. So this is the ester. Okay, if this is repeated again and again and again, we call it as a polyester. Okay, C double bond O, NH and dash. This is called amide. Okay, if these things repeat again and again and again, we call it as a polyamide. We call it as a polyamide. So all the nylons belongs to this category. Okay, chalo, let's start with our synthesis of terene. Okay, टीरिन के दो मोनोमर हैं बेटा, एक इथाइलिन ग्लाइकॉल है, एक टेरेथैलिक एसिड है. Okay. So this is ethylene glycol, and the other one is terephthalic acid. Okay. So when you what do you call that, heat it up to 400 to 500 Kelvin temperature, so there is a release of minus n molecules of water. Okay. So HOH will leave, and same this will leave, it will become O, CS2, CS2O, C double bond O, there's a benzene ring, C double bond O, and so on. Okay. So this repeated n number of times, and what we call it as a pterylene. Okay. So pterylene is also prepared by trans-esterification process. Okay. Trans-esterification process. So next is the properties and uses. Okay. So can I rub this? Okay. Next is the properties and uses. Okay. So पहले मैं लिख देता हूं, then it is very easy to study for you. It is very strong, high tensile strength, it has high, or instead of high, excellent wrinkle resistance. Okay. It absorb little water. Okay. Or moisture. Therefore cloths made up of this material will dry quickly. Will dry quickly. Okay. Number 4, it is not attacked by ordinary chemical and biological agents. It is not attacked by ordinary chemical and biological agents. Okay. So they are the properties. Now we talk about uses. Okay. Used for making cloths. Okay. Sales. Okay. चप्पा जो किसी के होते हैं. Okay. So water horses. For firefighting operations, है ना? Water horses for fire fighting operation. ओके. स्पेलिंग थोड़ी सी गलत हो गई, प्लीज देख लेना. It is used in magnetic recording tapes. Sorry. Okay. So that is important. Any doubt? Magnetic recording tapes बेटा पहले आती थी. Okay. Then we are having CDs, है ना? तो CDs से पहले हमारे पास मैग्नेटिक रिकॉर्डिंग टेप्स आती थी जिसपे एक ब्राउन कलर की फिल्म होती थी उसके बीच में, उसके ऊपर रिकॉर्डिंग होती थी, है ना? So that was the old process, but nowadays we have, far better than. Now we have a Bluetooth, we have a pen drive and all, है ना? चलो, डन हो गया. So next is glyptal. Okay, it is very similar to Caroline. That's why we are using ethylene glycol, and instead of terephthalic acid, we are using phthalic acid. Okay. टेरेथैलिक एसिड क्या था? बेंजीन के ऊपर एसिड ग्रुप 1,4 पोजीशन पे. थैलिक एसिड क्या है? एसिड ग्रुप एट 1,2 पोजीशन. ओके, एसिड ग्रुप एट 1,2 पोजीशंस. सेम 400 to 500 केल्विन तक हीट करना है. पॉलीमराइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस, माइनस n मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर. ओके. So what is the structure? एक बार ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करो. देखो ठीक ड्रॉ करते हो या गलत करते हो.
तो पहले जैसा बस उसे रिप्लेस कर लो, बीच वाले को जो नीचे है।
चलो मैं भी बनाता हूँ अब। ये ओ नहीं आएगा यहाँ से, पहले वाले में से भी ये ओ काट देना।
ठीक है।
ओके, and we have a pen. Okay, any doubt? Okay, next is properties and uses. Okay, it is a thermosetting plastic. तो देखो सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया। 3 डायमेंशनल क्रॉस लिंक्ड स्ट्रक्चर है इसका, है ना। 3 डायमेंशनल क्रॉस लिंक्ड स्ट्रक्चर है इसका, है ना। चलो यूजेस, जब 3 डायमेंशनल क्रॉस लिंक्ड स्ट्रक्चर आ गया तो हार्ड है, रिजिड है ना, and lot of varieties are there. So it is used in paints, used in paints. हम कहते हैं ना हार्ड इनेमल हो जाता है ना, in building material. Okay, as a substitute of cement. Okay बेटा, समझा गया। गुड। चलो मैं इसको रब करता हूं अब। So our number 3 is nylon. Six. Okay, nylon 6. इसके बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी देने में को लगता है कि आपको जरूरत नहीं है, रीजन भी हम बहुत बार पढ़ चुके हैं इसको। ओके, हाँ जी हाँ जी, हेक्सेमिथिलीन डायमीन एंड एडिपिक एसिड। ओके, सो मैं स्ट्रक्चर लिख रहा हूं, आप फटाफट से उतार दो। ओके बेटा, ओके। तो एन मॉलिक्यूल इसके ले रहे हैं, एन मॉलिक्यूल इसके ले रहे हैं, हम इसको अराउंड अबाउट 500 केल्विन तक हीट कर रहे हैं। minus n molecules of water. So this is NH CH2 6 times NH, okay, C double bond O, then CH2 4 times, then C double bond O, and so on. So here is N, okay, and we call it nylon 6,6. Okay, so that nylon 6,6O, 6,10O, 6O, they all are polyamides, okay, and all are prepared by man, okay. So I'm writing here nylon 6, nylon 6,6, nylon 6,10, okay, all three are man-made polyamides which contain polypeptide linkage, okay, in synthetic polymer, in synthetic polymers, okay. So this is simple. Next is properties and uses. And uses, okay. Whew. So it has high tensile strength, it has high tensile strength, good elasticity, low water resistance, है ना, and uh, retarded attack of insects and fungus. That is the first property, okay. Attack of insects. इनको कीड़ा नहीं लगता कपड़ों को, पहले कपड़ों को कीड़े लग जाते थे, ठीक है, अब इन कपड़ों को क्या लगता है, कीड़ा नहीं लगता है, क्लियर है. So this is the property of our nylon 6, okay. तो मैं इसको रब कर रहा हूं, फिर मैं इसके यूजेस लिखूंगा, रब कर दूं, ओके. नेक्स्ट इज द यूजेस, ओके. तो used for making clothes, okay. So and that means which cloth, dip and dry wale, okay, dip and dry type. and cloths, stretchable cloths. Okay, STRECHABLE, stretchable cloths, जितने भी हम लोग देखते हैं, है ना, रिंकल फ्री होंगे, स्ट्रेचेबल रिंकल फ्री होंगे, है ना बेटा. So basically, next is nylon filaments. Okay, are used in टूथब्रश. आप टूथब्रश करते हो, वो जो ब्रश के ऊपर के धंधे होते हैं ना, जिससे आप अपने टूथ को रगड़ते हो, दैट इज फिलामेंट्स. ओके, पेंट ब्रशेस, okay, then fishing nets, and tire cord or ropes, okay, etc. They all are the uses of nylon. Okay, they all are the uses of nylon. Clear? Next is nylon 610. Nylon 610. Okay, H2N, CH2, 6 times, and NH2. What is this? Hexamethyldiamine. Hexamethyldiamine. Plus we need some acid, Hana? But that acid must contain 10 carbon atoms. Okay? Minus N molecules of water. Okay, we heat up to 600 degrees Celsius. Okay, 500, 600, कोई चक्कर नहीं है. So NH2, sorry, NHCH2, 6 times NHC double bond O, CH2, 6 times C, चलो यहाँ ऊपर बना देते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, and N. So this was my nylon 610, 610. Okay, nylon 610. And if I am talking about properties and uses, okay, so that should be same as nylon 66. Same as nylon 66. Any doubt? No? Okay. So now
इसका नाम क्या था? एक मिनट.
sebacic acid. I will write down the name SEB ASIC, sebacic acid. Okay, sebacic acid have 10 carbon atom. That's why 610. Okay, that's why 10 is here. 6 number of carbon atom in adipic acid, so 6 is here. Sorry, hexamethyldiamine. So 6 is here. Okay. So next is you can do one thing. You can take a quick recap. whatever we have done till now. Okay, quick 5-minute recap, and then we will again start. Okay, so our next polymer is nylon 6. Nylon 6. Okay, it is a bit difficult among all these three. Okay, basically it is prepared from cyclohexane or cyclohexanone. Okay, I don't know where from you want to start. Okay, if you want to start from cyclohexane, तो आपको इसकी ऑक्सीडेशन करनी पड़ेगी, and upon oxidation cyclohexane is converted to a ketone. Okay, so this is cyclohexane and this is the cyclohexanone. Okay, you decide from where you want to start or given in the exam. Okay, so next is we have to use hydroxylamine hydrochloride. Okay, so this is my cyclohexanone, and now it is OH, because H2 यहाँ से ये वाला H2 और ये वाला O, ये वाटर बन के निकल जाएगा, माइनस वाटर. Okay, so now when you add 40% concentrated H2SO4, okay, 40% H2SO4, then a Bachmann rearrangement takes place, and it is converted into and here 7-membered heterocyclic compound. Okay, it is converted into 7-membered compound. Okay, and the name of this compound is caprolactam. Okay, and China is the one of the most producing country which produces what you call that caprolactam, and distributed in around the world. Okay, so when you add this water to the caprolactam, okay, then what will happen? OH comes here and H comes here. It will broken from this side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 number of carbon atoms. So one of the is converted into OH, then rest 5 are CH2, and last is NH2. ओके, तो ये मॉलिक्यूल खुल गया है, तो ऐसा बनना था, एक साइड एसिड है, एक तरफ NH2 है. सो नाउ these both will undergo condensation polymerization. Okay, condensation polymerization. Minus, if you have n molecules of this, then we have n molecules of water at around 500 Kelvin temperature. Okay, so on the one side I have C double bond O, CH2 5 times, and on the other hand I have NH. So here is the another N. And what is the name of this compound? This is my nylon 6. Okay, this is my nylon 6. Okay, the properties of this nylon is also same as our nylon 66. Or you can say that the name of nylon is different, but the purpose of all kind of nylons are same. Okay. Is it okay? Anurag? Okay. रब कर लूं? मैं इसको रब करता हूं. And our next polymer is bakelite. So logically देखा जाए, this is the sixth one. 2 polyester, 3 polyamide. Okay. Nylon 6, nylon 66, nylon 610. And the chemical name of bakelite is phenol formaldehyde resin. Okay. The name resin means three-dimensional cross linked पॉलीमर. ओके. जहां पे रेजिन वर्ड यूज करते हैं हमेशा, इसका मतलब होता है आपने क्रॉस लिंक्ड पॉलीमर को यूज करना है. ओके. सो हाउ वी आर एबल टू प्रिपेयर दिस bakelite? ओके. सो नेम suggest phenol and formaldehyde. So you need a phenol plus formaldehyde, HCHO. When you react this, so either we will get ortho substituted product and we will simultaneously get para substituted product. Okay. So both are in 50-50 ratio. So when they undergo for polymerization, now see please, this is very important, how to make the structure of polymer bakelite. Okay. स्टूडेंट्स को बनाना ही नहीं आता द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ bakelite. So you have to draw 6 benzene rings like the way I am drawing. 3 ऊपर and 3 नीचे. ओके. एक इस तरफ को खुल की साइड, एक इस तरफ को खुल की साइड. ओके. दिस इज CH2, ये यहाँ पे अटैच हो गया. दिस इज CH2, ये यहाँ पे अटैच. इधर को खुल की साइड, इधर को खुल की साइड. दिस इज CH2, ये यहाँ पे अटैच हो गया. दिस इज CH2, ये यहाँ पे अटैच हो गया. ओके. एंड हियर दिस इज CH2, ये यहाँ से अटैच हो गया. एंड दिस इज CH2, ये यहाँ से अटैच हो गया. ऐसे ही एक छोड़ के ये चलता रहेगा सिस्टम हमारे पास. एंड वी विल कॉल इट एज bakelite. ओके. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? bakelite. Okay. I know it is a bit difficult. Next is the properties and uses of bakelite. Properties and uses. Okay. Write down. Bakelite is three-dimensional cross linked polymer. Okay, it is tough, hard, rigid, and inert to the attack of chemical and biological processes. Okay, beta? Now we'll talk about uses. Soft bakelite, okay, is used in varnishes and lacquers, है ना? Okay, bakelite is also used in the fountain pen. Okay, used in fountain pen, barrels, okay, combs, okay, handles, cooking utensils, electrical good, okay. Uh, Next, sulfonated bakelite are used in are used in ion exchange resin, okay, for the softening of hard water, for softening of hard water. Clear? So this is the properties and uses of our bakelite. Clear? So next is the last one, okay? The last one. So the last one is melamine formaldehyde resin. Okay. Seventh one is melamine formaldehyde resin. Resin से आप समझ गए हो? It is also a three-dimensional cross-linked polymer. It is also a three-dimensional क्रॉस-लिंक्ड पॉलीमर जो घरों में आप अनब्रेकेबल क्रॉकरी यूज करते हो प्लास्टिक की, ओके, अनब्रेकेबल क्रॉकरी जो माइक्रोवेव में भी यूज करते हैं बर्तन, दे ऑल आर मेड अप ऑफ ईदर बैकेलाइट और दिस मेलामाइन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड रेजिन. Okay, so how do we prepare this melamine? So first of all, you need a melamine, NH2 NH2, NH2. Then you need a formaldehyde. When you treat your formaldehyde with your melamine, okay, then it is NH2, NH2, NH, CH2OH. So when you undergo N molecules of water and polymerization, okay, NH, CH2 and so on, यहाँ से OH निकल जाएगा और NH यहाँ से निकल जाएगा, ये नीचे को टसोन हो जाएगा और एक H यहाँ से भी जा सकता है, मतलब ये क्रॉस लिंक इधर से भी हो सकता है. सो N, ठीक है, N, क्लियर. तो नेक्स्ट लास्ट इज द प्रॉपर्टीज एंड यूजेस ऑफ दिस. ओके, तो मैं रब कर दो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last is the properties and uses. So it is hard. It is hard. Highly cross-linked.
ID.
Highly cross-linked.
अच्छा.
Okay. Thermosetting polymer. Thermosetting
Thermosetting.
polymer. Okay. So ये तो प्रॉपर्टीज होगी. Used for making plastic crockery. Okay. So whatever the crockery you are using, that is unbreakable. Okay. Unbreakable plastic crockery. तो जब भी आप देखोगे मेल्मोवेयर के नाम से आती है ये. ओके, ये क्रॉकरी जो आपको मार्केट में मिलेगी वो मेल्मोवेयर के नाम से मिलेगी. ओके. इस मटेरियल से बने कप प्लेट्स को उठा के चाहे आप जोर से दीवार के साथ मारो. ओके. इस मटेरियल से बने कप प्लेट्स को उठा के आप जोर से चाहे दीवार के साथ मारो तो भी आपके कप या प्लेट्स टूटेंगे नहीं. क्लियर है बेटा? ठीक है बेटा. तो टुमारो विल बी द लास्ट लेक्चर ऑन दिस टॉपिक. ओके, एंड देन योर चैप्टर विल बी फिनिश्ड. ओके बेटा? ओके.